If the Albert app says your card has expired, the issue is usually caused by outdated card information, a recently replaced debit card, or your bank declining the card verification request. By the end of this video, you'll know how to update your payment information, reconnect your card if needed, and figure out whether the problem is coming from Albert or your bank. Start by checking the expiration date printed on your physical debit card. If the date has already passed, you'll need to activate the replacement card from your bank before using it with Albert. If you've already received a new card, open the Albert app and review the linked payment method. Banks often issue a new expiration date or security code, even when the card number stays the same. If Albert still has the old details, remove the outdated card and add the new one. Next, confirm that you are entering the card information exactly as it appears. A single incorrect digit in the expiration date or CVV can cause Albert to reject the card immediately. If the card is current but still shows as expired, close the Albert app completely and open it again. Temporary syncing problems can prevent updated payment information from appearing correctly. You should also make sure you're running the latest version of the Albert app. App updates often include fixes for account syncing, payment processing, and bank connectivity issues. If an update is available, install it before trying to link the card again. If your bank recently replaced your card because of fraud protection or suspicious activity, the old card information becomes invalid even if the original expiration date hasn't passed. In that case, only the newly issued card will work. Another step is to verify that your bank hasn't temporarily blocked online transactions or debit card verification requests. Some banks automatically decline unusual verification attempts until you approve them through the banking app, or by contacting customer support. If none of these steps solve the problem, remove the card from Albert, restart your phone, and add the card again. This creates a fresh verification request between Albert and your bank. If the same error continues, contact Albert support and provide a screenshot of the message, along with your device model and app version. If Albert confirms the request is being declined by the bank, contact your bank and ask whether they're rejecting the card verification. To recap, confirm your card hasn't actually expired, update the card details in Albert, restart the app, check for app updates, and verify with your bank that the card can be used for online verification. If this guide helped, leave a like. Subscribe for more Albert troubleshooting videos, and check out our other app fix tutorials.